In this video, I will provide a review about WeBull Cash Management. WeBull offers around 3.75% API on uninvested cash, which is significantly higher than traditional savings account, which typically offer around 0.05%. WeBull Cash Management has zero fees, making it accessible for all users. You can start with little as $1, making it easy for anyone to begin earning interest. It covers up to $500,000, including $250,000 cash. It provides FDIC insurance, which provides protection for up to $1 million. Funds can be withdrawn anytime without penalties. Cash remains available for trading, offering liquidity for investors. There are some benefits of WeBull Cash Management. You can earn more on your idle cash compared to traditional banks. You can start with any amount, even as low as $1. There is no hidden charges for maintaining your cash. Your uninvested cash continues to work for you. There are some risk investing on WeBull Cash Management. Well, as IPC and FDIC protections apply, market risks still exist for investment. Interest rates can fluctuate based on market conditions. In conclusion, WeBull Cash Management is a great option for those looking to earn high interest on their idle cash without fees or restrictions. It's especially beneficial for active investors who want liquidity and flexibility. So that's it for the review today. If this review helps, like, share, and subscribe.